Okay, so we're looking at the consumer price index. This is used to measure the cost of a typical basket of goods and services. All right. What we basically mean is in a nation, all right, the households will typically get certain foods, right? So we'll combine all those foods together, get a market value, and these are the values which we have here. These are the market values for the individual years, all right? So our base here is going to be 2010, all right? As we said, the CPI is used to measure inflation, okay? We're always going to have a base year, right? And this is what we're going to be comparing to, okay? We're going to be comparing the percent change with the base year. So the formula for the CPI is the current, okay, let me just, current market value of the basket here divided by the value of the market basket in the base year multiplied by 100, right? This is not a percentage, this is an index number, okay? But when you subtract index numbers from each other, you get a percent change. It refers to a percent change whenever you subtract index numbers together, as we will see when we're calculating our CPI here. All right, so our base here is 2010, right? So our CPI, okay, our CPI for 2010 is going to be current value of the market basket, which is 10 over the value of the base, the value of the market basket in the base year multiplied by 100. And that's how we're going to get 100 here, right? That's how we get 100 here, right? We're going to say CPI 2011, all right? The price of the current price of the market basket is 15 divided by the price of the market basket in a base year turn times 100. We're going to get 150, right? So as I said, the base year is our reference point, all right? And we can see there's been a 50% increase in the price of the market basket, all right? 50% increment, all right? 50% increment in the percent increase in the price of market basket compared to
this market basket is basically the goods and services, right?
goods and services which are bought typically by all households in the nation. Okay. The next example, you'll see how we actually get these values compared to base year. Right, so we are comparing to the base year. Right, so for 2011 it is 150. 2012, okay, CPI is going to be is the current price is 14. The value of the base year is 10 times 100, and we're going to get 140. Okay, so basically the trick is all these market values here, we're going to be dividing them by 100 and multiplying them by, and not, we'll be dividing them by 10 and multiplying by 100. Okay, so for 2013, 20 divided by 10, that is 2. 2 times 100, 200. So there's been a 100% increase. Okay, there's been a 100% increase in the price of the market basket from 2010 to 2013. Okay, because all these years we're going to be comparing them to 2010. How I knew there's a 100% increase We say 200 minus 100, 100% increase, right?
Oh, you subtract the
Yes,
everything.
to get the percent increment. Like here, 150 minus 100, 50% increment. 140 minus 100, 40, which is means 40%,
Oh,
40% increase in price of market basket compared to base year. Okay. For the year 2014, we say 18 divided by 10, that's 1.8. 1.8 times 100, we get 108. So what is the pricing? What's the percent change between 2014 and 2010? Between 2014 and 2010?
2010 or 100.
180 minus 100 has been an 80%.
You skip the other one.
Yes, we're just comparing with the base year.
I mean, you skip 2013 with 2010.
2013.
Yeah,
Oh,
like
here.
200.
Oh, these wordings here.
But it's fine anyway. I get what happened.
Okay. 15 divided by 10, 1.5. 1.5 times 100, we get 150. Like 12 divided by 10, 1.2, 1.2 times 100, 120. Okay, 20% increment compared to 2010. Right, 2017, 8 divided by 10, that's 0.8. 0.8 times 100, we get 8. So we're going to say 80 minus 100, that is negative 20. So there's been a 20% decrease in price of market basket compared to base year, right? Even here, 5 divided by 10, 0.5. 0.5 times 100, we get 50. And so here there's been a 50 minus 100, negative 50. So a 50% decrease, 50% decrease in price of market basket compared to base year. Right, so in the next video, we'll calculate the inflation rate, which is just basically the percentage change of each year. We'll be comparing each year and seeing the percentage change.